yesterday I finally got my muffler installed. It's a K-tuned 2.5-inch titanium muffler. It's just a straight through pipe with mandrel bends. There's no catalytic converter, no resonator, no nothing. And to be honest, I'm really happy with it. I thought it'd be louder, and I'm very happy it's not. I just did it on a cold start. You would have noticed there might have been puffs of XF fuel coming out the exhaust, and these are tuned badly, so you never know, that might make it sound a little bit better. But yeah, it's a high quality product, and very happy with it. So highly recommend that muffler so far. So I'll put on the dyno very soon. I can't be sure when, but it will be put on the dyno soon, and then we'll get to the track and see how we go. Alrighty, see you until next time.